Series of words.
I'm asking for the series only.
If number 2 is there, like number 2, 4, 6, like that, I think.
Tell me what is series?
Sir, it thinks in order, sir.
An order of what?
Sir, like numbers or letters like that, sir. Numbers, letters, shapes like that.
First means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the letters plus A.
Or like a square, triangle, like that repeating series. That is series.
Yeah. So it is an order of elements. Can I call them as elements? That element can be
Yes, sir.
a number, or it can be a letter, or it can be a figure, or it can be any word. Okay, an order of elements. So any order is okay? No, they should follow a certain pattern. Okay, they should follow a certain logic or certain pattern. So we call it as series. So an order of elements. Simply it is an order of elements that follows a pattern. Certain pattern it should follow. Any pattern, but the whole series it should be the same. Right. Next, today we'll start with the number series. One second.
Sir, sir, are we going to do only number series today?
Yes. Why? Is there any problem?
No, sir, I thought we are doing all the series.
We'll see all the series one by one, but in one day it is not possible. Even number series will not be completed in one day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, number series. And again, what are the types of series? See, in the exam, generally he will ask like this. He will give all the numbers except the last number. So we need to identify that last number. And sometimes that last number, instead of asking for the last number, he may ask any middle number, any missing number. And one more model is he will give all the numbers. He will give all the numbers. And asking for, tell me, asking for what?
What is the next number?
What
No.
is the gap between the numbers?
No, there is no missing number. All the numbers are given.
Next number.
No.
Of the number.
Sir, the gap between each number.
First number.
Sorry.
Sir, first
Sir,
number.
the gap
No.
between each number.
No.
What type of series?
No.
Sir, middle number.
If there is any missing position, we can call it as a
Which one
missing
is
number.
number series?
So this is the finding the last number. Finding the last number. And this is finding the missing number. Even last number is also comes under missing number model only.
Sir, is it first number?
No, here all the numbers are given. There is no empty space. You don't need to fill anything.
Upcoming.
No, here you need to find the wrong number in the given series.
Oh, sir.
Okay. He will give all the numbers with a certain pattern. You need to find the number which does not fit in that series.
Sir, like 8, 16, and then he will give 17. Like that, sir.
Maybe. It can be any type. Suppose if you replace that number, that wrong number by a correct number, the complete series will be corrected. The complete will be in a correct manner. So total series consists of a what we can say a constant pattern or common pattern. Otherwise, the series will not follow a pattern. If there is a wrong number in the series, that will disturb the complete series logic. You need to identify that. Okay. If you want, I'll give a small example. See,
So like
what is the wrong number in the given series?
Sir, instead of 7, you
7.
need to write 8.
Yes, 7 is the wrong number in the given series. And in place of 7, if you write 8, the total set will be corrected. Total series will be corrected.
So like can be like there like 6 like you said, sir, right, sir, 2, 4, 8, 6, 10, 12, sir. Can it be we can just exchange them, right, sir?
Then tell
Any
the
answer
pattern.
that?
Suppose 2, 4, 8, then
6,
6.
6, 10, 12. Like, can we exchange 6 and 8, sir?
Tell me the pattern behind this. Tell me the logic. What is the
No.
logic in this series?
He's telling, can we exchange 6 and 8?
No. We should not. We should not exchange the numbers, right? Simply, you have to say what is the wrong number. You have to say what is the wrong number in that
Sir,
series.
we can write in the place of 8, we can write 6, and in the place of 6, we can write 8.
No, how can you do that? That is what I'm telling. See, listen to me first. This is the given series, okay? There is only one number. There is only one number that does not fit in the series. And you need to identify that number. That's all. And you should not disturb any other numbers.
Okay, sir.
So what is the wrong number in this series then? 7 is the wrong number.
7.
For the examiner point of view, telling the wrong number is enough.
Sir, then what is the wrong number in the other series that you wrote?
This is not the correct sequence, okay? They're not following any certain pattern, any particular pattern. That is a set of elements, that's all. That is not a series. Okay. Let us see the procedure for a number series. Whenever you are going to solve a number series, you need to follow this procedure. You can use this procedure. We'll see the procedure. To follow. While solving a number series. Procedure to follow while solving a number series. Okay. The first point is, so first of all, immediate after you observe a number series, so don't go for difference or multiplication techniques. Okay, immediately don't go for difference or multiplication techniques. First of all, you have to verify some basic things which you know already, which are there in your brain already. What are the things you have already in brain? You have
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
No, that is what I told. You should not go for addition, multiplication, difference, or multiplication techniques. You already have some things, some type of numbers in your brain. You need to compare those numbers are matching with these numbers or not.
Odd and even.
Yes, odd and even. Any more?
Natural numbers.
Natural numbers. Any more?
Whole numbers.
Whole numbers. Any more? Any more numbers?
Integers.
Integers. Okay.
Fractions.
Fractions, rational numbers. Okay. Any more?
Sir, what are rational numbers?
Prime numbers. Very good. Prime number. Yes.
Composite numbers.
Composite numbers. Yes.
Sir, can ratio and proportion come in this?
Ratio and proportion means just there may be some multiples may be available. So if multiples are available, we can also call it as, actually ratios will not be there. But in ratio, what type of techniques you use? Suppose this number can be the
Six.
double of this number. This number can be triple of this number, right?
Okay.
Maybe likewise it continues. This number can be double of this. This is double of this. This is double of this. Okay, in that way it may continue. Okay, so you told many number logics now, and I'm going to write the things here. Here whole numbers is okay. Natural numbers is enough, right? Natural numbers we can consider, but actually there will be no question from natural numbers also, even because that is a very low level technique. Let us see the examples also. Along with the concepts, let us see the examples also. I am writing one question. Tell the logic behind this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
234, 235. Very tough question. 236, 237.
Sir,
238.
+1, sir, for
What
every
is the
number.
next
Easy,
number?
sir.
You are saying
239.
plus one.
239.
+1, sir.
No,
239.
239, sir.
the answer is okay, but the logic is not +1. See the numbers and tell. Comes under which category?
Sir,
Numbers.
Natural numbers. They are natural numbers. You have to identify natural numbers first.
Sir, consecutive numbers.
Yes, consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers. Yes,
Sir, they
correct.
come under whole numbers also, right, sir?
Whole numbers as
They'll
well.
come under whole numbers also.
Which number?
Whole numbers.
Whole numbers.
Yeah, whole numbers also,
Come
as well as
under integers
integers also. Okay. They are integers as well as whole numbers, there as well as natural numbers. Simply we can consider them as natural numbers, consecutive natural numbers. Okay.
Sir, can I say for 1 minute? Hello.
Ma'am.
Yeah, basically my son is from 4th class, so he is not aware of natural numbers and all that. So it's not yet teach to him. So
Ma'am, they are consecutive numbers only, na? 234.
yeah, but you are talking about natural numbers. He is asking all questions to me. Okay.
Okay, whatever I mentioned, he will see in future at least.
Yes, that's true. But yeah. So he is not aware of these things.
Okay, ma'am. Right. Shall we continue?
yes, sir.
So these numbers are consecutive natural numbers. We can say natural numbers, nothing but all counting numbers. All counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on up to
Natural numbers and starting from
uncountable numbers.
and starting from 0 is a whole number and integer can be written as negative and also.
Yeah. We don't need to. Okay. We don't need to mention all those things now, right? All these numbers are consecutive natural numbers. Natural numbers, nothing but counting numbers from 1 to uncountable numbers, starting from 1 to uncountable numbers. Okay, right. I'm writing here as natural number. I already mentioned natural numbers, nothing but counting numbers. After 238, what is the next number? Next natural number?
239.
239. Okay, ma'am. What is your child name?
Riyansh.
Riyansh is in 4th class. Then we don't know natural number means he may not be able to understand what is an even number, then prime number, then square numbers, cube numbers. All those comes into picture now.
Even and odd he can do that, but not square and all.
But
Sir, we don't know square.
I'll tell the basic things. Okay. Okay, we'll do one thing. As of today, we'll continue with the letter series. Okay. All of you are comfortable with the letters?
Yes,
More
sir.
than comfortable than numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, means
Sir,
alphabets,
more using-
alphabets, A to Z. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see the letter series. From which class to which class you are? Fourth class to?
No, sir, for fourth class, anyone is not the sixth class to eighth class.
Sixth.
Okay.
6th to 7th, sir.
class.
Okay. Some 6 are there. Some are in standard 7.
And eighth.
Sir, I am 6th.
Sir, I'm
Sir,
7th,
sir,
sir.
even I am 6th.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Class.
Okay, okay, okay.
Seventh.
I think all of you know the letters, right? A to Z.
Yes, sir.
Arts, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Do one thing, right? Today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, in 2-3 days, do one thing. You try to learn all the letter positions. You try to learn all the letter positions. A1, right?
A1,
Like
B2,
B2, C3,
Sir, we know this.
D4, so on up to Z26. So on
26, Y 27.
up to Z26. Okay, practice these letter positions. These letter positions will be helpful in many things, in many situations, in reasoning. You'll find these things. Okay, letter positions A1, B2, C3, likewise up to Z26. If possible, try these things also. Z1, Y2,
2,
X3,
X3,
and W4.
4.
One up to
5.
A26.
B5, B20.
B25 is A26. If possible, try
24.
these things also. Means A to Z, you have to learn letter positions, letter numbers from forward direction, in the forward direction, as well as in the reverse direction also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And
sir.
one more thing I want to suggest you. If possible, try to learn these pairs like A, Z, that is one pair. Okay.
So like
B, Y.
A, B, A, C, A3.
No. Wait. A, Z, B, Y, C, X. What is your observation in this?
Sir, the last number and the
Sir,
last
DW.
first number and last first number when they
Yeah, first letter from first and first letter from last. Second from first and second from last. Third from first and third from last.
Sir, for example, sir, the first number, so A1, sir, it is first in the position from forward direction, and the Z is first in the position in reverse direction, like that,
Yes,
sir.
exactly. Yes, correct. So that is what I mentioned. First letter from first. From first means A. And first letter from last. That is Z. Similarly, second letter from first, from the beginning. And second letter from last. Okay. Then by what time you can do these things?
Sir, like
Sir,
Hurry.
by next class.
Okay, by next class.
by
Means in the next
4
week.
days or 5 days.
Okay, you have 4-5 days or 5-6 days. Practice these things. You can you don't need to by heart them, right? You have to remember them with any hint words. With any hint words like nowadays IPL is very famous, right? Cricket. Will you see cricket?
Yes, sir.
So what are the matches going on?
Sir, today is GT Titans versus.
Okay. What are the matches now going on? T20, right?
Yes, sir.
The letter number for T. The letter number T. The letter number for T is 20. If you check, you can find letter number for T is 20. You can remember like this: T20, IPL T20. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the old name of Punjab team name?
PB.
Old name.
PVPS.
PBXY.
Now it
sir,
is PBKS. Okay, Punjab Kings. It is okay.
GD.
Previous, I'm asking previous name.
Sir, it will be a Roman number, sir.
Kings
Yeah.
11. Kings 11.
Yes, sir.
K is 11. Letter position. Kings 11. K 11. Okay. You can memorize the letter positions in this way. And suppose M, if you take M or W, when you rotate these things M or W, somewhere it seems like number 3, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then three consisting numbers from 1 to 26 are, one is 3,
Sir, 3, 13,
another is 13,
and 23.
13,
23.
23,
You know, no, up to 26 only I'm asking. Okay.
23, sir.
3, 13, 23. In this, what is third letter? What is
C.
third letter? C.
3.
There will be no confusion with the 3. Then remaining 2 will be for M and W. M is 13, W is 23.
How, sir?
You can check after writing the letter numbers. You can check M 13, W 23. I'm telling in this way you can memorize. Okay. In this way also you can memorize by taking M and W as 3 in the rotation. They seems like number 3. So 3 consisting numbers are 3, 13, 23. In that 3 is C. We know that already. The other 2 will be for other 2 letters, M and W. M is 13 and W is 23. Done. Can anyone tell any other hint words? Hints to memorize the letter numbers, letter positions?
1 minute, sir.
No, sir.
You do one thing. You can memorize this one. This is best. Ijoti. Ijoti. There is no spelling mistake. Okay. Ijoti. E-J-O-T-Y. E-J-O-T-Y. Ijoti. What is this Ijoti?
Sir, E means 5 and every word is 5 letters.
That the
Yeah,
five letter word.
five increase, right? So 5. Next
That's
is
a 5 letter
10,
word, sir.
10,
next is
15,
15,
20,
20, 25. And just by remembering this one, just by memorizing this one, we can tell any letter position.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose if anybody asks you what is the 17th letter, instead of counting from 1, I will count from 15 because I know 15 already. 15, 16, 17. O, P, Q. Q is the 17th letter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In that way, we can tell. Suppose if anybody asks you 12th letter, what is the 12th letter? Instead of
Sir.
counting from 1, we will count from 10 because we
10.
know 10 already. 10, 11, 12 means J, K, L.
Yes, sir.
So L is 12th letter. Okay, what is the 19th letter?
Sir, 20. Sir, it's,
Yeah, before letter of 20th letter.
Sir, S, sir, S.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, so you can make your own hint words. You can make any of your own hint words, but nobody asks you how you remembered all these things. But for yourself, it is
Sir,
mandatory.
Sir, we have to show to you.
Don't need. I'll ask one by one. I'll tell the letter. I'll tell the letter. You have to tell the number, or if reverse also. If I say the number, you have to tell the letter.
Okay,
okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Be ready with these things, sir. In the next
Okay,
class.
sir.
One more thing I want to say here is you can memorize the forward letter numbers, right? With any hint points, you can memorize the forward letter numbers.
Yes, sir.
But you will be having many hints. There will be many hints for A to Z. If you make one more set of hint words for Z to A, then there will be a confusion between these two lists. Yes or no? Suppose
sir, because we
you
should
made a
put
list.
the
You made a list for
words
of
down,
hints
so
for forward direction, and you made a list of hints for the backward direction. After that, you may confuse this letter position is this one, whether it is in the forward direction or in the reverse direction. You may confuse like that. So that's why I suggest you to learn only forward direction. I suggest you to learn, to make hints for only forward direction. Don't make any hints for reverse direction.
Sir, in
You know-
forward and reverse direction, the 13th letter will be same, sir.
No. 13th letter is not the middle letter. You just check once. 26 letters are there. How can you say that is 13th letter is same? See,
Sir, I
1
think
to
the
13, 1 to 13, then
13 to
14 to 26, right?
sir, like
A to M, and then
yeah, sir.
N to Z.
Sir, it's an even number.
If you see from this side, M is 13. But if you see from this side, N will be 13th letter. Okay, 13th letter is not same in both the directions. That is different.
Sir, in odd numbers, we can find the middle number.
Middle
sir.
number. So here they are not odd number of letters. They are even number of letters. 26
Even
letters are
number.
there. So between 26 letters, you cannot find the middle. Okay. Right. Keep the hint points for A to Z, and later you can use this trick to say the reverse numbers. Simply use this. See, I'm taking any letter like Z. Z forward number is how much? Z forward
26.
number is
26.
26. Reverse number is
25.
1.
1.
Okay. Add these two numbers.
27.
How much you are getting?
27.
27 you are
27.
getting. I'm taking any other letter like suppose C. Forward number
3.
3. Backward
23.
24. Because 25 is B, 26 A. Okay. 24. Adding these two. What is the sum of these two? Again
Sir, it's
27.
27.
Suppose let us take any other letter like M. M forward number is
Sir, anything will come 27 away, sir.
forward number is 13. Backward number is N is 13 means M will be 14.
14.
Sum of these two again
27.
27. So with this we can make a rule. We can make a formula like for any letter, forward position,
And backward position sum is 27.
yeah, forward number plus backward number
Is equals to the sum of both numbers is 27.
forward number plus backward number will be 27. Okay, and we can simplify this like this. F plus B equal to, these are not letters. Okay, I'll mention in another way. How will mention? Okay, reverse order number you want, right? Backward or reverse, both will be same. A reverse position or reverse number, reverse position equal to 27 minus forward position. Okay. If you know the forward position, to get the reverse position, simply you can use this. Better?
Yes, sir.
You make a list of hints. You make a list of hints for forward position to memorize forward positions. And later, if anybody asks you the reverse position of this one, you can use this equation 27 minus forward position. Suppose see G, the forward number is 7. G forward number is 7.
20.
What is its reverse position? Reverse position of G
27.
equal to 27 minus
27. If we add both of them, we get 20.
yes, 27.
Sir, we should add, right, sir? We should not. Oh,
Okay, you have to add forward plus backward, or you may substitute subtract backward from 27. You can sorry, forward from 27, you will get reverse position.
so like we can just add 20 plus 7 and we get 27.
Yeah, 27. So by adding 20 and 7, you are getting 27 means 20th letter and 7th letter. They are opposite letters. We can say opposite letters also. I'll give one hint. See here. These are the opposite letters, right? A, Z,
Yes.
B, Y,
Yes, sir.
C, X, D, W. A number is, letter number is 1. Z letter number is 26. What is their sum?
27.
27. Okay. B letter number is 2. Y is
25.
25. Sum is
27.
27. C letter number is 3.
3.
X letter number is 24. If you add these two,
24.
27.
Sir.
3 plus 24 is 27, right?
27.
Means from this also you can say one conclusion. Tell any conclusion.
Every sum between when we sum the sum of backward number and the
alphabet numbers, we get
forward number is
We will
27.
call them as opposite letter pairs.
27.
Opposite letter pairs. Okay, opposite letter pairs. Sum of opposite letter pairs is 27. Sum of opposite letter pairs is 27. Done?
Yes, sir.
Any pair of letters with the sum 27, they are opposite. We can simply say like this. So forward number and reverse number, if you add these two, finally we'll get 27.
27.
So practice all these things. Next, we'll see some letter series.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So even in letter series also, we can find the missing letter or last letter. Generally, for your level of exams, there will be no wrong letter in the series. There is no wrong letter. Okay. We'll see both of them. What are the two? You need to find the last. You need to find the last letter, or you need to find the missing letter. Last letter or missing letter. Okay.
Or the wrong number.
That is what I told. This is not number series. Okay. This is letter series. In letter series, generally you will not find a wrong letter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll give some letters. You try to identify the logic behind that. Suppose. What is the next letter?
So,
Sir, you.
All of you think.
Sir, you, sir.
What is the logic?
Sir,
Sir, bubbles.
sir,
Yes.
sir,
AI.
Consecutive
You రాయలేదు
vowels.
సార్ you
So U is the answer.
Yeah, but it will take time, like to like, remember that.
A, E, I, O, all these are consecutive vowels. Consecutive vowels. What is the next vowel after O? That is U, and that will be the answer. Yeah. And tell the logic for this. What is the next letter?
ఈ రాయలేదు
Just try.
O.
O. P. Okay. We'll see that. Whether O or P. Are any more answers?
J.
We'll see that also. Maybe J. Any more with
Sorry,
any?
sir. P only, sir. Mine also not O. P.
Okay, O is cancelled now. It is P.
Okay. Yes, sir. O is cancelled.
J is also cancelled.
No, sir. P is not cancelled, sir. Only O is cancelled.
Okay, okay. See here. First we'll deal with the between letters, and later we'll deal with the direct their positions. Okay. Between A and B, how many letters are there?
So only P.
Zero.
No, 0 letters are there. Between A
zero.
and B.
Sir,
Between
O
B
is
and
the
D?
answer.
Between B and D,
So
one letter.
One.
Between D and G,
two.
E, F, 2 letters are there.
So two.
Okay.
So
G
here
and K?
G and K 3, sir.
H, I, J, 3 letters are
J.
there. H, I, J, 3 letters.
Sir, now 4 letters have to come, sir.
So it should be 4
L
letters.
M N O P.
L, M, N, O. Leaving those 4 letters, next letter is the answer.
P.
That is P.
Then again we should leave 5 letters. Next letter is the answer. Sir, can you repeat? I didn't got it.
Between A and B in the English alphabet, how many letters are there?
0.
So 0. Okay. Between B and D,
1 letter. C.
1 letter. D and G,
2 letter.
E, F, 2 letters are there. G and K, H,
3 letters.
I, J. So next we have to leave 4 letters, and we have to write that for 5th letter. Leaving 4 letters, we need to write the 5th letter. That is the answer. P. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you know the letter positions already, you can do it in this way.
Sir.
See the other way of doing the same question. A is 1, B is 2, D is 3, sorry, D is 4, C is 7. Keep in mute condition. Okay? Okay, J is 7, K is 11. What is the next position we need? Simply we can deal with the positions. 1 and 2, can I write here as +1?
I think no, sir.
1 and 2. To make 1 as 2, what we have to do? +1.
1. Yes, sir.
Here I am
Yes,
not
sir.
dealing with the between letters. Okay, I am not dealing with the between letters. I am dealing with their positions. Okay, 2 and 4, what we can write?
2.
+2. 4 and 7,
+3.
7 and 11.
+4.
And next we have to do +1, +2, +3, +4. We have to do +5. 11 + 5 is how much?
16.
What is 16th letter?
P.
16th is P.
Sir, P.
Okay, you know, if you know the letter positions, it will be very easy. to solve a letter series question. Harini, keep in mute condition.
Yes, sir.
Some disturbance is coming.
Okay,
Not
sir.
Harini, I think
Sir or Manish.
Manish. Okay. Okay. And one more series. We'll see. Try to answer this. Sorry. What is the next position?
Sir, J.
Maybe we'll see. Any more answers?
Sir, you have written 2 times.
Sir, it is J, sir.
Sir, it is K, sir.
Okay, it's K. So it's K.
Okay.
Sir,
J
K.
one answer, K another answer.
Sir, K.
K is the answer.
We'll
One
see.
minute, sir, I'm checking.
You can check. Done.
No, sir, no, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, just tell me, here we'll deal with the between letters or letter positions. Which is comfortable for you? Sorry?
The between letters.
Okay.
Sir,
Here the
between
gap
Sir,
is
it is K, it is K, sir. K.
okay. Here the gap is less. That is why you may deal with the between letters also, right? Here the gap is less, very less. A, B means there are three, 4 letters will be there between them. But if the gap is increasing, then it will be time waste. To count the between letters is a time waste process. In that case, it is easy to solve with easy to deal with the letter positions. If the gap is increasing, okay. So try to habitate letter positions. Okay, here I am dealing with both the methods, both the ways I will show. Between A and E, how many letters are there? B, C, D, 3 letters are there between them.
Sir, 3 and after D,
Between A and C?
they left D and again C they kept, again 3, so they kept C.
One letter is there.
minus
Yes, sir, 1 letter, minus, sir.
Minus.
1 letter.
Again, between C
Again,
and G,
plus 3.
3 letters are there between them.
Again,
Between
plus
G and D?
3, and again -1, sir.
1 letter.
Again 1. Yes,
Then
sir,
again?
3. Again 3.
Between
Then
I
again
and G,
1.
1.
Again 1. So we should choose G plus 3, sir. So
plus
when we do
By
like-
taking 3 letters between, so means our answer will be 4th letter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After
Yes, sir.
G, H, we should not take I, we should not take J, we should not take.
K.
Leaving
K.
these 3 letters, K is the
K we
answer.
should take.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got the answer same K.
Sir, I
Yes.
also got the answer as K.
Yes.
Sir, you can even take it as without minding A, C, and all that. You could just take that E and you didn't take a letter, then G, you didn't take a letter, then I, then the next one should be K.
Okay. Alternative letters. You're telling about these letters.
Sir, you can understand rightly, sir. I is there means after we can leave the J and then write K.
E, G, I. Next it will be K. Correct. You can solve in this way also. Taking alternative letters. Okay, so here also it is better, it is suggestible to do in this way. 1, this is 5, this is 3, this is 7, G7, E5, I9, G7. Okay, tell me 1 and 5, can I write it as +4 to make 1 as 5? 1 plus 4 is
5.
5. 5 and 3, can I write it as -2?
Yes, sir.
And it is again,
+4.
and it is
4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2.
continuous. Finally, we have to do +4. G is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11th letter is K. 11th letter in the English alphabet is K. Okay. Be ready for the next question.
C, D, F, G, H.
Sir,
P, sir, P, P. It is P, sir.
sir, P.
Sir, P.
It is P, sir.
Okay.
I can easily tell, sir.
Sir, O and P.
Because-
Sir, O and P.
You
Sir,
can
O
easily tell
and
the
P.
answer. You can
Sir, O
easily-
and P.
O and P. How it can be O?
Sir, no.
Sir, P, O,
Sir,
and
no,
Sir,
sir,
P.
P, sir.
Sir, P.
P. For P,
Sir,
what
it
is the
P,
logic?
sir, because E is missing in F before, and I is missing J before.
Okay. Then what is the logic here?
That O should miss, no, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, here we should have a difference of 4, 4, 4, sir.
No.
Sir, E is
No.
missing in the third place, and
alternate.
again I is missing in the third place, and again P is O is missing.
Okay, okay. You
Sir,
got the
can we
logic.
use an alternative trick, sir? Like
Yes, sir.
C, F, H.
Okay, okay. See here. Now tell the answer for this question. Revant. Not Revant, Ritvik. Now, can you apply the same logic here also? No. Tell the logic for this. Anybody got the logic?
Sir, O.
Sir.
I don't need answer. I need logic. If your logic is correct, answer will be automatically correct. For O, what is your logic?
Missing
So
letter.
which we get D and here G, H here in them both middle continuous letters at F and G, sir.
But all the letters are not in a continuing manner, right?
That's what, sir. So we should keep it out.
Think and tell the logic for this question.
Sir, I and E is missing, sir.
Yes. Think. Now compare with first question.
Yeah, first question.
Every 5 number is
Compare with
three
first
table.
question, you will get the logic. No, it is not 3 table. What are the letters missing here?
sir, I think so.
E is
Every
missing,
5
right?
numbers
E is
are
missing. I
Next.
is missing. I is
I
missing.
is missing.
I is missing. So J.
Are these letters E and I comes under any special category?
I O U, sir.
Vowel, right? Means vowels are missing. Here he is writing only consonants.
Oh, okay, sir.
Missing these two vowels. He is writing only consonants. Now after N, O is an vowel. We should not take this one. So the next letter is P.
P.
The answer is P. Okay, in the first question, the logic is only vowels. Here in this question, what is the logic? Only consonants.
Without vowels.
Without vowels means only consonants. Okay.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, we'll do one more question. Hmm.
So next, sir.
Sir,
Sorry?
it's like kind of
Think.
sir, like first number and last second number.
No,
First,
no, no,
second
sir,
number.
no, this is not like that. It's different 26 to 7. 24.
Sir, the first dash will be R, sir.
First
Sir,
dash
R
will be
Sir,
R.
1 minute, sir. Sir, 1
R
minute.
and N.
Yes, R is correct.
And N, sir.
N is also correct. Correct. You got the logic. You just wait. Remaining people.
Sir, 26 minus 2, 24. 24 minus that only, no, sir.
Try. If you feel that is the logic, you just try on the other remaining letters also. If it is satisfying, if the remaining letters also satisfying, then that will be your logic.
26 minus 2.
Sir, there are a set of alternative last numbers and alternative first numbers, sir.
Okay,
So
then
the
try.
answer is R and M.
Yes, correct. Yeah, it is a mix of two series. This is one series, which will give the answer for first bracket. And this is the another series, which will give the answer for second bracket.
Like it's a difference, like space gap between X and Z and X is 1. And
Yes, sir. Sir,
one means your
is the
intention
first
is
one, sir.
between
Sir,
them.
R is the-
B is 1.
Wait.
Sir,
Between
even
them,
I
they-
got, sir.
Between
Sir,
them, there is
first
one
one-
letter. One second.
Yes, sir.
Ritu. Between X and Z, there is one letter. Either we can say one letter between them, or we can use directly -2.
-2, sir. And X
Because
and
26
B also we have one letter.
Because Z is 26, X is 24, means it is -2.
Sir, so first one is R and second one is.
It is also -2. It is also -2. It should be -2. T -2. -1 is yes. -2 is R. Okay, this is one answer.
Now we should the difference between
R and N.
B and D is
B is 2, E is 5. Directly we can say
3.
+3.
Sir, it is over N
Plus
N
three.
7. Sir, it is
Is
N
5.
plus 3.
E is
Plus
5,
3.
H is
T
8.
5 and H is 8, sir. And
Again +3.
sir,
It is
K
also
is
+3.
Again
K
plus
is
3.
11, sir. K is
I'm
11.
And that
K is
becomes
actually
8,
11. 11 plus 3,
I'm sorry,
14.
I'm sir.
14, sir. K N is 14, sir.
N. 14th letter is N.
Sir, even I got it, sir.
Yes, correct.
Same, sir.
Yes. Okay, we'll do one more.
Mine also same, sir.
So the time is up.
We'll
Sir,
do
I
this
think the
question.
time is up.
If possible, you can try this, okay?
Okay, sir.
At your home, you can try this question.
Sir, can you send this PDF, sir?
Yeah, I'm sending every day. After every class, I'm sending the PDF. You can check in Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
Actually, I'm not getting the link of the PDF.
I'm
site.
I'm sending in WhatsApp group, right? Google Classroom link I'm sending in WhatsApp group. You just by clicking on that link, you just join the Google Classroom. Then you
Sir, we
can
can
find.
just send the request, sir.
Otherwise, you can send request.
Copy the number and paste. Click on the plus symbol and we should ask the request and Shirisha ma'am is going to accept it.
Have a number type of things are like WhatsApp in Google Classroom also.
Okay, okay. Let me complete the question. I'm thinking about it. It's 11 plus 18 is this. Okay. 6, that is 5. Okay.
Sir, here only H is only the first number, sir, and everything is from the last number.
You just try for the next class. Till the next class, you will have time. And
Sir, can
for
you
this
send
it
us
is
in the WhatsApp the
Z,
screenshot
and next
of this question?
you can take screenshot. This is the question for you. Okay. By the next class, be ready with the letter position
Answer.
Okay, sir.
as well as answer for this.
Sir, can you send that question, sir?
I'll
the
send this
WhatsApp?
PDF. I'll send this PDF. In
Okay,
case
I
you
sir.
think it is Q, sir.
Which one? I think there is no mistake. I made it correct. Let me check.
Sir, it's 20.